Greetings, everyone, and welcome to this another episode of Speak, the podcast by Sunbeam School Balia, which is dedicated to engaging with individuals who are shaping the future and inspiring the young generation. I am Meghna Singh, your host for today, and it's my privilege to welcome Mr. Pranjal Singh and Ms. Pankhuri Singh, the head boy and head girl of Sunbeam School Balia. Thank you to both of you for joining us today.
Thank you, Meghna, for such a lovely introduction.
Yes, it is a wonderful opportunity that we are the first batch of this Sunbeam School Balia who are having this Sunbeam's podcast speak. We are very excited for the further interaction and thank you for having us.
Alright, let's kick things off with a bigger question. Leadership. It's a word that everybody resonates with it differently. How do you define leadership in your own words?
For me, leadership is someone who takes initiative, works diligently, and inspires others also to do the same. A famous quote which I must quote, which goes like, "A leader who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way." So yeah, leader is all about his team, his or her team, who can efficiently lead his team in a better manner to gain something.
Essence of a true leader, I must say. My next question is for you, Miss Pankhuri. What motivated you to apply for the head girl position? Like you knew you were made for it, or it was something or some incident that motivated you for it?
Yes, I have got a lot of motivation from my teacher in charges, and also there was one incident which I want to share. That during 2017 and 18 batch, during council member ceremony, when the anchors was announcing the head girl name of that batch, I was standing in between the students, and when the anchors announced the name of head girl of that batch, suddenly in my mind is clicked that okay, someday I want to be there. And when I went back home, I was thinking about that only. I guess I was 12-year-old at that time. But when I grew up when I come in class 12th, that dream got disappeared due to a lot of academic and a lot of co-curricular activities. But due to motivation of my teacher in charge, especially my class teacher and my AI teacher, they supported me a lot. Like, go for it, do it, you can do it, don't lose hope. And they have such a belief on me that 12-year-old girl dream has developed, and I worked on that 12-year-old girl dream and I did it. That's all.
Yes, as Pankudi said about teacher belief, I want to also mention an incident that my class teacher Mithilesh sir, who is from class 11th, always motivates me that Pranjal, you have to become head boy in class 12. And yes, by my teacher's belief and the school management and my respected directors or principal ma'am, who has given faith in us to become council member. So it was such a great responsibility that came up with the oath.
Could you tell us something about your idol? Who is your idol?
Okay, my idol is my mother because I have got a lot of inspiration and from her, and I got lot of motivation also because the way she do hard work is really motivate me and really inspire me to do more hard work. So yes, she is my true idol.
Great thinking, I must say. Managing extracurricular activities, academics, and leadership responsibilities is no small feat. How do you manage these all things and these demands perfectly?
See, for me, sometimes it is very difficult to manage academics and the planning of events and programs and all the meetings which we made to HM ma'am, Dean ma'am. But I want to thank my classmates, my council team, because whenever I went outside of the class for any work, my classmates always supported me in my homeworks, in my activities, in my projects, and also with my council team because without our council, we are nothing. They always supported us in all the aspects to make any program more creative, more better, and to run in a fluent way. So yes, it is all about teamwork, leadership, and the team management.
You both are 12th grade students and will be applying for the board examinations next month. So, could you tell us something about your further career options that you are going to choose and in which further you are going to develop your personality?
See, I am not like a topper student. I am an average student who successfully secured 91 approx percentage in 10th. But still, I chose arts as my career subject because I want to make a career in civil services. There are many options which someone can pursue after taking arts or humanities. The professions like journalism, laws, fashion designing, and civil services is one of them. My main aim currently is to get more and more skills and get good grades in my graduation, and then I will apply for the civil services examination and hope so that I will clear in very early attempt.
Encouraging insights. My next question is, we all know that leadership is all about bringing a positive change. So, can you share with us some incident that stands out to you that you have led? Something memorable.
Yes, there are certain events that we have managed, but the memorable one is Rashtriya Hindi Sahityak Sammelan, which was first time held in our school, Sunbeam Balya, and we were the in charges. And with the coordination of our council members and team of volunteers, we have successfully executed that event, and the outcome was very much appreciating to us. We have got a lot of appreciation from each and everybody. And the second one is alumni meet, which was also first time held in our school, and we were the in charges, and due to incredible support of our team members, we have that event was also successful one. And for that, I want to really thanks to our respected director sir and principal ma'am for believing on us and for giving us such a responsibility to manage such a big event.
Here's a fun question for both of you. If you want to sum up all your head boy and head girl journey with one movie title, what would it be?
For me, when I have to give one name of my head boy journey, it could be like many movies we have in Bollywood, like Three Idiots, Tare Zameen Par. But the movie I want to mention here is Chak De India, because in the whole movie we can see the teamwork, dedication, and inspiring all the team members to achieve a common goal. So same implies in us also, like we the councils always work together to achieve one common goal, that is to maintain discipline in our school and also to make any program more creative.
For me, it will be Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, because I have worked so much and the work that doesn't satisfy me, I have to work on that. So the life is full of happiness and sadness, and I'm very much happy that my head girl journey was full of happiness, full of enjoyment. So
Before wrapping up, do you have any key takeaways for our visionary leaders?
Yes, the advice which I gave for our fellow juniors or coming leaders would be, I want to just mention a quote, Nakalam Tivartante Mahantaha Sveshu Karmasu, which means that a great individual can never delay or derivate his or her task. So the only advice for juniors is always do your task, act on time, be in discipline, and do whatever your mind wants, because don't be in a societal pressure, your parents pressure. Do what you want, do what you love, and try to get more and more skills, because in this current era skills are everything, like personality skills, leadership skills, communication skills, because this can help you in your future and your coming endeavors. So yeah, this is will by my side.
Pranjal was absolutely right. There was one famous quote that is, leadership is not about being in charge. It is about taking care of those who are in your charge. So being a leader, it is not an easy task. You have to manage uncertain human minds. So the advice I want to give to our future leaders to take care of your team, because a leader is nothing without his or her team. So if your team is cooperating with you, coordinating with you, then you are a great leader. And never ever lose hope. And 1% chance is capable enough for 100%. And never doubt yourself. And do hard work and dream big.
Thanks for being a part of Speak Podcast. It was an amazing and inspiring conversation for all our young aspiring leaders. That's all for today's podcast. Till then, stay tuned.